Hello and welcome to Makin Computers, your place for in-depth hardware reviews, modding and build advice. I'm Andy Makin, and with me as always is my faithful assistant and assistant editor, Dremel. No. I said 100,000 subscribers producer, 1 million subscribers executive producer. Well, of course I don't, that's why I agreed to it, honestly. Anyway, today's video is just a little introduction with my plans for the channel and what you'll be seeing in the next coming weeks. So, unfortunately, with the demise of BitTech, I was out of a job. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's reached out in support. The support I've got from this community has been really amazing, and just makes you realise what a great community we have.
Guys, I don't know if I ever told you this, but, well, I love you guys.
As before, I'll be bringing you some of the most in-depth reviews on YouTube, testing products within an inch of their life and often beyond. Coming up next week, I'll have the brand new Be Quiet Lightwings fans that they recently announced. I'll be bringing you in-depth performance analysis of not only the fans tested on a Be Quiet Silent Nuke 2, but also on a single tower CPU cooler. I'll also be looking at how they can improve your case's performance and looks on the Be Quiet Silent Base 802. After that, I have the Corsair H150i Elite LCD to test, as well as the LCD upgrade kit which we can fit to the H170i here, see how easy that process is. In particular, looking at the quality of the picture on the LCD screen, comparing it to the MSI K360 that I reviewed a while ago, which didn't fare too well, so we'll see how the Corsair unit does. Now, BitTech was founded on modding. It's what brought me to that community, and I want to carry that on my channel. So I'll be doing a sort of unofficial mod of the month with the best of the mods from the BitTech forums, and maybe a few that I see around on social media. There won't be any prizes, at least not at first. I'll probably give you my pick of the month, but if you love mod porn, then this is definitely the place to be. I'll also do the odd mod myself. Now, they're not going to be Alex or Alessandro CNC god tier level mods, but they are going to be more obtainable by the vast majority of you, and hopefully you'll pick up some really effective techniques to make your PC look amazing. First off, I'll do a little series on my mod project Isaac, talk you through the build and the techniques I used, and there's a few things on there that got left on the drawing board because of the time constraints of the competition. Also, it needs a bit of a clean and the coolant is falling out, so it needs just a little bit of TLC, so we'll have a series on that. That just about covers everything today, but I thought I'd leave you with a little outtake from a review I did on BitTech. This is from the CyberPower system review. Essentially, I thought I had caught CyberPower lying about applying an overclock on the system, trying to cheat the benchmarks. They hadn't. I'd just like to point out that CyberPower had done nothing wrong. I had accidentally activated MSI's one-click overclock when trying to check the XMP had been enabled. Cue lots of backclick peddling, lots of apologising, tons of embarrassment. Fortunately, CyberPower were very good about the whole situation, and I just had to remove it from the review. But it's quite a bit of fun, so let's cue that now. So I tell them, well, I've found this overclock on there in a manual V-core, and they just double down. They say, no, definitely wasn't us. Spoke to the production fellas, they've not done it. We've checked our logs from the benches we do before we send it out. Oh, definitely only boost 5.1. We've definitely not done it. So who has? Has the delivery driver happened to be an overclocking nut? He's taken it out in his cab and given me a little speed boost before I get it? Or maybe it was the overclocking fairy! Just to reiterate, Cyberpower did nothing wrong, it was me being an idiot. Yes, I'm always an idiot. So, that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below what you're looking forward to seeing, what you want to see on the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So, until next week and the review of the Be Quiet Lightwings fans, keep building, keep modding, keep making computers. Yep, we've got a catchphrase. See you then.